Hello, welcome to the demonstration of disaster management system made using Python Django. In the home page, we see a dashboard where all the disasters are listed. We have reported disasters, we have in progress disasters, and we have solved disasters. In each disaster, there is its name parameter, its date and timestamp parameter, its description, and also its severity level. Now we see a report button here. After clicking report button, we add a name to the disaster. For example, I want to report a tsunami. So I'll say tsunami. I'll provide a short description. Say a huge tsunami here. Then we'll set the severity level and report the disaster. Now we'll see the disaster tsunami is now reported with the date and timestamp. We'll see there's an additional map that is available. This map is from the IP address location from where the disaster was reported. Now we can see the guidelines option. Here all the disaster safety guidelines are listed according to the different type of disasters. Now we'll return to the dashboard. We'll see that in a disaster it is assigned to a volunteer which belongs to an organization. Here ABC123 is a volunteer and ABC is an organization. So let's go to manage and register. Say I want to register as an organization. I'll enter the name, say NGO1. I'll enter an email, say ngo1@gmail.com. Password, and I'll confirm the password. I'll click on register. So now I have to enter the domain which my organization works in, say tsunami and earthquakes. I'll have to enter the level my organization is of, say my organization is on a local level, and I have to select the locations. So I'll select Ahmedabad for now and I'll click on register. So now this is the interface for an organization. Here I have the resources option. Here I can add and manage my resources. So let's say I want to add a resource, food, in a quantity 50, and I'll enter the city. And I'll enter the ward. So now I'll add this resource. In this I can manage, that is add, delete, edit all my resources. So now I'll go to profile and I can see all the disasters now. So now I want to register as a volunteer now. I'll enter the name of the volunteer, its email, password, and the confirmation. I'll click on register. I have to fill in the details for the volunteer profile. I have to select one organization. I'll select NGO1 that we registered recently. And I'll enter all my details and I'll select the skills that I have and I'll click on register. So I'm registered as a volunteer and this is the volunteer interface. See, the volunteer have the accept task option. So the volunteers can view the resources. I'll add, but the volunteers cannot add the resources. Then I can see the list of volunteers that are associated to the organization I am working in and its availability. Now I'll come back to the dashboard and say I want to accept the earthquake task. I click on accept task. Therefore the earthquake task will go in progress. Say I solved it, so I'll mark as solved. Now the earthquake task will go into the solved disasters. So this was it about the disaster management system.